Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today let's see how to make this beautiful house craft. Before we start with this, I would like to request my new viewers to consider subscribing to my channel. Please watch the video until the end and share your thoughts about it. It will be very helpful for me to work on my next project. Okay, let's get started with this now. I have taken a well-dried coconut shell and I have taken a cardboard. Draw a Santa hat in it. Cut it to the shape using the craft knife. I am going to form a roof with this. Now draw a cone shape in a cardboard and cut it to half. Make some 10 to 12 pieces like this and stick it using hot glue to the Santa heart shaped cardboard and give a support all around. We are forming the roof of the house now. It will look like this. Now take a masking tape and cover the edges of the cardboard. Seal it totally. Make sure you cover everywhere. Take an aluminium foil and roll it to give a support to the top of the roof. Take some waste paper and crush it and put it inside the shell to fill the gap. Now cover the lid upside down using hot glue. Take a round shaped cardboard and then give support to the roof. Now join both the roof and the base. Make a texture paste using plaster of Paris and white glue in equal proportion. Mix it well. There should not be any lumps in it. Apply the paste all over the cardboard. It will make the cardboard stiffer. Also apply it in the coconut shell to form a base. Form some texture and let it dry completely before you start doing the clay work. Now it's dried. I have drawn the outline of door and windows here. Let's roll the clay and cut the shape of the door. I am forming the door here. You can do your variations as you wish. I want to form it like a small bricks, so I am cutting the clay furthermore. Stick it using white glue one by one. I am going to stick it one by one on top of the outline. Once again, to my new viewers, I request you to subscribe to my channel. To all my viewers, if you are interested in watching more videos like this, please click on the bell icon to get notified on my new videos. Smoothen the clay using water and form some texture over it. I am using the clay carving knife here to form some strikes over it. As I said earlier, it is up to your choice totally. You can do your variations as you like. I am now forming the same pattern for the windows. If you have any questions or clarifications while watching the video, you can ask me through comments. I will reply to it. Now creating the partition over the window and create some texture over it. Stick some clay in the joints and make the support stronger. Please let me know your feedback after watching the video so that it will be very helpful for me to work on my next project. Also give me suggestions on things to improve. Roll some clay and stick it all over the roof part. Cover the entire cardboard portion with the clay. All the clay that I am using here is air dry clay. Use white glue to stick the clay. Adjust the shape using the clay carving knife. Smoothen the surface using water and form some design on the top. I have made some partition and then giving some strikes on it. Do the same all over the roof. Now using the star shaped mold and creating some stars. I am going to stick the stars here in the roof in a zigzag pattern. Now forming the base for the house. After giving some texture on it, I am going to stick the entire house part in it. I am forming some grass lawn here. I am going to stick it using white glue. I have used the aluminum foil to give some texture like this. Now creating a small pond, making some waves. Once you're done with the clay work, let it dry completely. It will take 24 to 48 hours to dry it. See, now it's dried completely. Once it's dry, you may see some cracks. You can fix it like this using some water and little bit of clay. Now it's painting time. I'm using a metallic red for the roof and yellow arch for the house, burnt umber for the ground, and also for the outline of doors and windows. Burnt sienna for the door and windows as well. Viridian green for the lawn, metallic pink for the flowers, and lemon yellow for the center of the flowers. Sorry, I have missed out recording how to make the flowers. It is actually similar to how I make the stars. Deep cyan blue for the pond, cerulean blue to highlight the waves. I have used 4 different colors to highlight the stars: gold, blue, green, silver. All the colors that I am using here are metallic colors. Once you're done with painting, always give a coat of varnish to protect the colors. This is how the roof looks after coloring all the stars. Metallic silver to highlight the waves. You can also use the pearl white and metallic green to highlight the lawn. Metallic copper to highlight the windows and doors outline. And it's ready. So this is the final look of the house. This is the before varnish look. So I have given a 1 coat of gloss varnish here. It will look like this after varnish. Hope you all enjoyed watching this tutorial. Please let me know your thoughts about it. Also consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you again in my new tutorial.